semester is ending in a few weeks, 3 weeks to be exact, and I really need to get my life together. I have so many assignments that I need to get done, some classes that I need to catch up on, and I really need to do a load of laundry because I've been putting that off for the past week. So we're gonna start with that and then we'll see how the rest of the day goes. Generally write notes and to-do lists and stuff on my computer, but when it comes to like to-do lists for school, I think I always prefer to write it in paper form for some reason. I don't know why, because everything else I do digitally. Got my trusty notepad here. This is from Muji, and we're gonna figure this out.
That's the only one. Probably hasn't come back yet. Just checking to see if it's not one of the ones here.
Maybe another day then. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
You too. Just picked up a package from me. I was expecting 2, but I guess the other one's coming separately. But it's so hot. You guys can hear me properly. The wind's a bit strong right now, but such a great day. I couldn't decide if I wanted to sit in the sun or the shade, so I found a small tree to sit under, and if I want to go in the sun, all I need to do is like move here and then this part is shady. Another one coming. I have been forced back home because of the heat, but that was a very productive afternoon. I just needed a break from like sitting at my desk all day, so that was nice. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys this new phone case that I've been loving lately. You guys know I always have a Casetify case on my phone. You've seen it in like all my vlogs, but they recently came out with a new feature upgrade on their Impact case, which is my favorite case of theirs. They've now added this super sturdy camera ring stand to the case, which not only gives it extra protection, it also functions as a kickstand, which is so handy when I want to watch Netflix while I'm cooking, watching lectures on my phone while I'm studying, vlogging while I'm out and about, or even just like sharing a video with a friend. I can also imagine it being useful when trying to take your pictures on timer, so love. Aside from the camera ring stand, it still has all the same features as before. So 2-meter drop protection. I drop my phone all the time. Don't even blink when I drop it anymore. They have a beautiful range of prints and customizations available. These are my 2 most recent picks. Super pretty, and you can also get the MagSafe compatibility on it. Particularly in love with this one. I feel like Casetify does the wavy checker prints so well. And of course, they're made from 65% recycled and plant-based materials. So if that interests you, Casetify have some great deals both online and in store that you should check out, and you can find out more details down below. Head to casetify.com/Nessie to save on your cases with Casetify's online and in-store deals. The chef is from a 2 Michelin star restaurant in Seoul. So big expectations with the. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm very excited. I'm getting serious. Serious business now. Oh yeah, that looks good. The manager better be seeing our reaction. I feel stressed because I feel like there's always eyes coming this way.
Stracciatella, pistachio, and Cinderella.
This is so funny. It's really multicultural. Culture exchange. Okay. On papalam. Oh, I like the. They really put the pear in. It goes in my top 4. Yeah. It really looks so good. The jujube. It tastes like something. Dinner. Curled my hair before I left the house. It's like so humid today, and I think also because of the rain and the wind, there was a thunderstorm on my way.
I didn't hear the thunder.
No, my entire building shook. Felt like the world was like shaking. So my hair is like just an oily, greasy mess now, and there's no curl at all.
Sad. Every time I think it's gonna rain, I'm like, I'm not even gonna bother doing anything with my hair.
And then just tone it down. On the right hand side that George has just opened is luxury. Thank you.
You made my video much better.
My ceviche.
Cooking with us. Okay, we see you. Fancy. We got it.
YouTube started. It's an entire new product launch, right? Like dipping your toe into something really new.
Hi, I just came back from the Google Pixel event and I wanted to show you the goodie bag that I got. We got some really cool stuff, guys. So first of all, I of course have my Google Pixel 8 Pro. They sent this to me a few days ago. I've been playing around with it and the camera is amazing, guys. But then today they also gave us the Pixel Watch 2 and I got it with the beige wristband. I had one before, not a Google one, but I had like a I guess like a sports watch fitness band. The band broke recently and I haven't been bothered to replace it. So they also gave us the Pixel Buds Pro and this color matches my phone. So I have the apron that I was wearing earlier, Team Pixel. And then also a bit randomly they gave us beeswax wraps, but I guess that's because we were cooking today. Thanks Google. Almost forgot, I also have a whole cake that I brought back with me. It's a bit like collapsed on this side, but they'd ordered letter cakes to spell out Team Pixel and all of us that were there like ate through one letter, so there was still like 10 letters, so everyone basically took a letter home. Time to do a little cleaning and then we'll head out for dinner. God, my apartment is a mess right now. I don't know where to start.
Well, I'm not good for my standards. Yeah, you'd be good at that.